Still using plain Notion pages? Let's fix that. Here's how to add GIFs to your Notion in 3 super simple ways. First, the easiest method, type /image, then click the GIPHY tab. Search for a GIF like SAS. Want a transparent background? Just add the word sticker like so. And there you go, floating GIFs with no background. Just note that Notion search shows fewer results than GIPHY.com. Next, head to GIPHY.com, find a GIF you like, and click this icon at the top right corner to copy the image link. Back in Notion, type /image, choose Embed Link, and paste the URL. Your GIF will pop right into the page. Finally, you can upload your own GIF. Just drag and drop it into Notion, or type /image, click Upload, and pick your file. When you upload directly, Notion will center the GIF by default. To align it left or right, click this icon here and select the alignment. Pro tip: you can resize GIFs or place them side by side in columns. To resize, drag the bars at the sides like this. To place them in columns, just drag and drop them around. Great for mood boards, dashboards, or just adding some fun. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.